Hey you guys, it's your girl Pinky, and I'm here with
Faye, the owner of Paint Jam Dallas, the general manager of Soar Creative Studios, and the owner of Faye.
So V, we're here in Dallas. Tell us, what do you do here in Dallas?
Gosh, I do a lot of things. Starting with my 9 to 5. My day job is general manager at Soar Creative Studios. I like it because I get to curate events while helping people figure out how to bring their visions full circle.
Okay, so just putting together different projects and things like that.
Yeah.
So V, tell us a little bit about your background, where'd you grow up, how'd you grow up, and all like that.
So I grew up in the country ghetto. It's not country ghetto. I grew up in Shreveport, Louisiana.
Don't be modest now.
No. I grew up in Shreveport, Louisiana. I'm the second oldest child in a family with 5 children. Single mother, strong woman. Shout out Carolyn Faye. She gave me her middle name.
It works.
Yes. So I grew up in Shreveport. We moved here when I was about 13. I really just always had this man, we're way too talented to be ordinary.
Yes.
Mindset about everyone in my family, every single one of them. Not to say other people are ordinary, but I just looked at my family and I'm like, man, we're gonna be on TV.
Yeah.
We're gonna be set up in 3 or 4 different states.
We got talent.
We weren't put here just to exist, And so that's kind of always been my mindset, and I never really knew how to hone in on that and what that really meant for me. So long story short, I started my Paint Jam Dallas business in 2017 after working in psychiatric healthcare for about 8 years.
How was that?
Yeah, that was great. I loved working in psych. Every time, I still have people close to me that work in psych healthcare and or mental health care, and just hearing their stories, it's always so tempting to just run back and throw myself into it because it's so fulfilling. But working in psych, it helps you to learn how to really analyze people in a way where you just observe everything. You observe the actions, the nonverbal and all of that. I taught verbal de-escalation and seclusion restraint techniques. So after doing that for 8 years, I went to working in adolescent psych, and it kind of tore me up a little bit. So I was like, I gotta do something that teaches people how to have fun again, how to just let loose. Yeah.
Colorful.
Yeah. And be able to laugh at yourself.
Right.
Paint Jam Dallas, one of the most unique parts of it is that we vote on who has the best and the worst paintings. And I think that makes the experience so different.
What is Paint Jam?
Paint Jam Dallas, so it's a halfway point. It's like you get a traffic paint meets a family cookout. It's right in the middle. Everyone's comfortable,
Come on.
I think that's what it is. It's the energy. So after I started doing that full time and doing printing and things like that, I ended up here at Soar Creative Studios, and it's just been a game changer.
So what is your goal as V? What do you want to, put out there to the world?
So what I would like to put out to the world, I would like to inspire others and to be inspired by others. And I want to just teach people how feasible it is to achieve your dreams. I think that what I'm doing right now is what I dreamed about doing 5 years ago. So 5 years from now, I can only imagine what my life is going to be like.
I think that's important for people to realize that years, you have to actually plan it and pursue it for that amount of time. So often we're just it's going to happen overnight. No, years. She said years, you guys.
Yeah.
But tell us a little bit about how you're helping people now.
So, like I said, with Soar Creative Studios, I personally try to give as many tools as I can of our space, just so that I can have that person-to-person connection and really give people the full opportunity to understand how easy or how feasible it is for us to create that vision. So I had someone come in last week that wants to create a design for their birthday. And I'm like, okay, well, all we've got to do is throw the pipe and drapes over there, get some special lighting and put it over there. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do that.
I wouldn't have even thought of that.
Yeah, she's one of my, I can't even say one of my favorite photographers.
Aw.
Hands down, favorite photographer, favorite energy. She's never come to, and you know, anyone that's ever hired a photographer, they know that if the photographer comes in and doesn't have the right complimentary energy, it can throw everything off. So
It's not fun at all. But tell us about like maybe some other creatives, like if there's other people who are just interested in what you do and how can they be a part?
So I guess inbox me, email me, info@faye.com. I am very accessible. I respond to anything that's not spam if they're seeking response.
Right.
Yeah, I have people that everyone knows me as a resource. Like they know that I always know someone that knows someone or that can do this, well this, and they're good at it. Like I'm not just telling you somebody.
You're like a creative plug.
Yes, the plug. That's what I am. Just hit me up if you're an artist that wants to get your art out there, or if you want to host a showcase at Soar Creative Studios. Come here. There are people that want to support you, and even if it means that they have to support me to support you, I'm willing to do that because it took someone else doing that for me.
So that's really amazing. You don't find too many people who's willing to offer their services. So you guys should take advantage of that. If you are an artist, if you're looking for a home or somebody who can help you find a home for your art, she's the person for you. I think you do amazing things, man. I think everybody should come be a part of. We just finished an art show, fashion art
Yes,
show. Maybe tell us a
Collision.
little bit about that.
Oh, so the Collision BTX, I love it. It's almost like a social experiment. It's basically a lot of artists coming together to create with one theme in mind, but they collaborate throughout the entire process. So it's not just let's all pop up together and be in the same room, but it's let's convene, let's kiki, let's commute, like let's get together and bounce ideas off of each other. And I think the most beautiful thing about the Collision is that everyone knows everyone's song by the end of it. Like every artist knows every artist's song by the end of it because everyone was invested. And I think that's my favorite part about it.
That's dope. Again, we have Faye. You guys hit her up. She's an awesome creative
Thank you.
plug. Shoot, that's all I can call her.
Thank you.